Did your Kali Linux desktop suddenly start looking like Windows? Don't worry, you're not alone. I had the same issue and spent a lot of time figuring it out. But today I'll show you how to fix this in just a few seconds. If your Kali Linux desktop changed into something that looks like Windows, it's most likely because you accidentally enabled a feature called Undercover Mode. This mode makes Kali look like Windows for stealth purposes, but it can be confusing if you don't know how to switch back. To fix it, open the application menu or use the search bar. Type Kali Undercover Mode in the search field. You'll see the option appear. Click on it to toggle off Undercover Mode. As soon as you click, your desktop will switch back to the standard Kali Linux interface. That's it, it's that simple. Now, let me quickly explain why this happens. Kali Linux has a feature called Undercover Mode, which is designed to make your desktop look like Windows. It's useful if you're working in public and want to stay low-key, but if you accidentally enable it, it can be confusing. I hope this guide helped you restore your Kali Linux desktop. If you found this video useful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tech fixes and tips. Let me know in the comments if you have any other issues you'd like me to cover. Thanks for watching.